Instagram, Facebook, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, and after you subscribe, those are one program I have. But then if you like what you're hearing, put your name and email down. I got programs from $39.99, $69.99, up to $14,409 to help you with your teeth. Give you some excellent tips. I have over 38 years. Thanks to Miss Mills, my counselor. I went to the dentist for the first time when I was a sophomore in high school. Luckily I did. Go watch my other videos, you'll find out. But today, let's just get to it. Subscribe, subscribe. If you like what I'm telling you, subscribe, subscribe. Braces. I had braces for 5 years. You know what the hardest thing about braces is? How to clean your teeth with the braces. If you like what I'm saying, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like. You know, if you got braces, you know they're coming. It's hard. How do I get my braces? You can't get the floss through the metal thing, because the metal thing is connected in teeth. And that's how they tighten the teeth. So if they're going to tighten the teeth, then they can't have any gaps. So how do you overcome the gaps? 2 things you can use. There's one you can use if you're in a financial pinch, but I only recommend you use it one time, and I'll talk to you about that one like another time. 2 things you can use. Also, you need like 2 things you can do to clean your teeth, because you really need to get your floss inside the braces so you can clean the teeth to prevent the plaque from building up. 2 things you can use. One is something they call a floss threader. Basically, it's the same as think of this as a giant needle, and the floss goes through here. You pull it through, and then you kind of pull it through, and then that's one method. That's like, and they usually cost you can get them from $3.99, $4.99, $6.99, depending on the brand, from Signature to Oral-B to, who else is out there? There's another one I've been seeing out there. Can't remember it offhand, but they'll probably have it soon. That's one. This is the one I recommend. $10.99 for 30. $10.99 for 30. That's why I say I got programs from $39.99, $99.99, and $1,499. Takes money to keep the teeth clean. But if you're looking at this video, you realize, hey, I need something with my teeth. I need to make them better than they are. I have to whiten them. I got to straighten them. Or I'm having a pain and I can't keep taking alcohol and drinking aspirin. Eventually, I need to take that one time to go to the dentist. And that's my goal, to give you that confidence to go to that dentist one time. Or after you haven't gone to the dentist, to return so you can just check. I want you to get that one checkup. That one checkup can save you thousands. Not only save you thousands of dollars, it can just save you your teeth. At least now, if you lose your teeth, like I had the gum disease, you have like prosthetics and drills through the jaw. They didn't have none of that back in 1980. You know what happens if you messed up with this junior periodontist? You got like the dentures, like my grandfather. But even with the dentures, those dentures look better than his teeth that he originally had. They were just horrible because he had smoke and drink. When he used to look, those teeth, he looked good. And then you put it in a little thing to clean them up, man. But I don't want you to get to that point. Let's see if we can't take care of your teeth now to avoid the surgeries, because I know what it is. I've had most of them teeth removed. I have to keep this on extra clean. I had $2,800 to do like some extra work on the casings in the back. So I know what it is like to spend money. This will save your life. This, oh my God, this will make life very easy for you. So 2 ways to clean your teeth. Make sure you subscribe. If you like what I'm telling you, subscribe, 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 man. I've been like you. I want to help you guys, because once you get the braces off, you still got to keep your teeth clean. And if you have some different prosthetics put in, then you have to use this to go between. So make sure you subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Remember, 2 ways to clean your teeth with floss threader. There's a regular floss threader that you can do. You put it through your teeth. This one, $10.99. That's what I say. Sometimes you got to have a little bit more money than you think. It's not money just for you. It's money to invest in others so you can look good. Okay, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Remember, I got a $39.99, $99.99, $1,499 dental consultation programs. Before you go out and drop $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $10,000 at the dentist, why don't you hook up with me? 38 years of experience. I know what it's like. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. I've seen what's out there. I see what's coming. Are you guys with me? Talk to you later.